Mortgage tip number 3. Listen, now that you've decided you want to get out there and fix your rent, become your own landlord, what's next? It's time to get pre-approved. The pre-approval process is pretty straightforward. However, I would tell you to do some research before you jump in. Listen, you can look on the internet. There's a ton of different lenders. There are a ton of people and banks available to offer you assistance. But I would advise you to work with someone you feel comfortable with. Work with someone who's knowledgeable and will be able to walk you through the entire process. The home buying process is not for the faint of heart. It takes a lot of diligence and working in collaboration with multiple people. So you want to pick someone that is a good communicator, that is also good at follow through, and that will explain and answer any questions you have. Um, so that's number one. You don't have to go with the first person. If you pick a loan officer and you go meet and talk to them and they're not the right fix, interview someone else until you find someone that you entrust in helping you get the financial support you need for one of life's biggest purchases. So after your loan officers reviewed your documents, they'll be able to issue what is called a pre-approval. A pre-approval is what a realtor's looking for. Now, once you have that pre-approval letter in hand, you can begin to look for a realtor partner. The realtor partner is just like a loan officer to the transaction. You want to find someone that works best with you and your family. You will give them a wish list of all the items you hope to have in your home. You will tell them the price range in which you're qualified for. You'll give them the letter. Many of them will also ask for what's considered proof of funds. What that is that you have the down payment funds to close at the end of escrow. And generally that's provided by a current bank statement. Once you've met your realtor partner, they have your list. It's time to start shopping for homes. They'll take your criteria and price range and they will run it through a system. Generally, it's the MLS, the multiple listing service. And through there, they're able to find homes that meet your criteria. Once they find the list of homes and you guys find time to schedule showings, they'll start showing homes to you. They'll explain amenities and features, and you can ask them questions. And I have a couple more suggestions. Once you find that home that you love, drive the neighborhood. Drive it in the mornings to see what a morning commute will look like. Visit it in the evenings to see how the neighborhood is in the evenings and on weekends as well. Once you find that home, it's time to write a contract. Your real estate agent will take care of this part and also negotiate any changes that the seller may want until a final version is reached. Once the contract is nullified or validated by all parties, now it comes back to the loan officer's court. At this point, now it's time for us to put the package together. We'll request some updated documents. We'll get it submitted in underwriting, order appraisals, or whatever other reports are necessary, and we'll sit back and wait for an approval. Now, the first approval you get is conditional. There may be some conditions that need to be satisfied. Once they're satisfied, you're able to go to docs, and before you know it, you own your home. So the first step, get started, move your feet, move in a direction. You've made the decision. Now it's time to start. Second step, go get pre-approved. Find that realtor partner and let us work together to get you in your dream home. That's mortgage tip number 3. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.